Have fun, no problem. They can do that, no problem. Tell us about your bike.
It's 4 over 250 cc's with billet head, so it's pretty cool.
Nice. Nathan taking the win in the DJ Motorsports mini bike shootouts. That's UTV.
I don't think you're supposed to be able to do that. This is why we can't have nice things. Good thing we got full drive to drive home with.
LaRue taking the win. Put your hands together, Buckeye Jacks. Make some noise, Matt. Tell me, brother, how'd it go out there? What was going on down there at the top end?
Well, it's been a busy night. We started out with the first pass. We broke both axles at the starting line. So that's where the bad luck started. We had to mess with the clutch, and then the second to last pass, we broke the belt. So.
You changed the belt out that quick, man. That was only like, what, 2-3 minutes, I think, like that.
I think so.
No, that's awesome, dude. I have lost count of how many of these shootouts Matt has won, but I know it's a lot. Definitely in the double digits.